Welcome back to Borak Bersama Maybank. In this episode, we're shifting gears back into the semiconductor space, where the rally in tech stocks has been picking up again. Our research team has rolled out a new initiation report on a lesser known but high potential counter in the front-end semiconductor value chain. And joining me today to present on this is our tech analyst, Lucas Sim, who just released a fresh coverage on CPE Tech. Thanks for being here, Lucas.
Hey, thanks, Ben, for having me here.
Right, Lucas, to set the stage, CPE isn't your typical semiconductor name. Could you give us the rundown on the company? Basically, what do they do? Where do they operate in? And who's at the helm at the company?
Sure thing. So, CPE Technology was initially set up as an industrial machinery and equipment installation company all the way back in 1985. Over the many decades, the company's business slowly evolved into precision parts manufacturing. And CPE's core business today is in high precision CNC machining. Their specialty is in the producing components used in integrated gas systems modules, or for short, IGS modules, which are critical tools in the front-end semiconductor manufacturing. Aside from the semiconductor segment, their precision machine parts and components are also used across a range of industry segments. The main ones aside from the semicon space are the life sciences and medical devices space, and also for sports equipment. In the terms of presence, the company is headquartered in Johor, Malaysia, and operates several production facilities there. Their customer base is quite geographically diversified, with clients from, but not limited to, the US, Singapore, Malaysia, Germany, Japan, and Thailand. On the ownership side of things, CP's major shareholders today are Lee Chen Yong, who holds 28%, Ho Ming at 17%, and also Derek Moon Chai at 11%. Not only they are major shareholders, but they all three sit on the CPE's board today.
All right, thanks, Lucas, for the overview. Now, let's get into the numbers. Based on the information that you have on hand, what does the company's growth trajectory look like? And how does their forward valuation stack up against their peers?
The growth trajectory looks solid. CPE recorded a historical 3-year revenue CAGR of 23% over financial year 2020 to 2023, and this was driven by the increased demand for IGS components amid the global wafer fab expansion. But looking ahead, we are forecasting a 3-year earnings CAGR of 32% from financial year 25 to financial year 27, and this is underpinned by one, the growing order volumes from both new and existing customers, two, planned capacity expansion, and three, margin improvement driven by stronger operating leverage. And looking into evaluation-wise, we are valuing CPE based on the 25 times calendar year 26 estimated earnings per share, which would put its target price at 1 ringgit. And though the valuations are ascribing is about 1.5 standard deviation below the sector's 5-year average mean PE, but commands a premium when compared to its peers such as Sam Engineering, UWC, SFP, and also Coraza. We believe this premium is warranted given the CPE's one niche position in this front-end semiconductor space through its IGS foothold, and also the strong ties with the global market leaders that holds significant market share. And also, these growth tailwinds from Japan's chip resurgence, which would also boost the upcoming earnings from a new front customer ramp-up.
Okay, great. So, all right, Lucas, so the last question I have today would be, what would you say are the top 3 reasons investors should look into CPE Tech as a potential investment?
Yeah, so 3 main reasons. The first reason is a direct exposure to the global semiconductor growth. CPE definitely is a great choice as it is strategically positioned in the front-end semiconductor value chain, supplying these IGS systems that are used in wafer fabs. And the second reason why investors should look at CPE is because of their strong relationships with global leaders. So CPE has long-standing relationships with these global leaders within this IGS, such as who holds a 40% global market share in their semicon valve equipment. as well as US listed players in filtration and microcontamination control. And last reason is high earnings visibility backed by capacity expansion. So we believe CPE is delivering a strong growth. Thus, we forecast a 3-year earnings CAGR of 32% across financial year 25 to 2027. And with that, a sixth plant in Johor, which will increase their total capacity up to 21%, and also net cash positions of 163 million ringgit on a growing order book. Of course, semicon and medical clients provide earnings visibility.
Alright, thanks Lucas, and that's a wrap for today. Aside to the audience, you can catch our latest research reports on your Maybank Trade MY app. All you need to do is head over to the Insights tab and you will be able to find it there. And for those who are looking to trade stocks, structured warrants, or even futures, you can apply for a CDS account or trading account online via the QR code on screen now. But if you need a more personal touch, you can also approach our sales representatives and they can get you sorted on that as well. With that, we'll catch everyone in the next episode, but until then, this is Ben signing off.